alone, every night alone. Why am I alone? I know that you want me to, am I wrong?
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this super cute V-part unit that I got to try out today. This unit was so amazing. I tried so many different styles that I typically don't do, like this half up half down, and also this nice little bow look that I used to wear in like high school. But it was so cute, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved all these different looks, make sure you keep on watching.
Then you can get away, then you can get away.
So I want to give a huge shout out to UNICE for sponsoring this video. I love working with UNICE. You guys know the quality of their hair and also what they present to their customers, and this is just a little bit of what you get in your box. Now onto the unit, I will be showing you guys their new EasiContour V-part YAKI straight wig. This is 150% density and 24 inches, and as you guys can see, this is already pre-crocheted, so instead of seeing the track, the hair is already flipped over, so it's nice and seamless when you install it onto your head. So this is the new breathable cap that they have. It's very stretchy, nice, comfortable, and flexible. We have 2 combs on each side by the ear, 4 at the top, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the bottom. And this is what the EasiContour wig is. So it has an adjustable elastic drawstring. As you guys can see, if you pull the drawstring, it makes the wig tighter, and then you can simply just loosen it if you need more room for the back of your head. And I'll show you guys the installation of that later on in the video, but I really want to get into a closer look at the texture of this YAKI unit. The density was so natural and the ends were really full, and I was just super excited to get to installing this unit. So that's what we're going to do right here. As you guys can see, this is all the leave out that I have out, very minimal. I left my edges out because I am going to do different styles with this unit, and I needed to have my edges out. But as you guys can see, my hair is really short, and I want to show you guys how good this hair blended with very short hairs. And what I really like about these new V-part wigs is that you don't have like a normal V-part flat edge on these units. It has a skull-like arc, and I'm going to show you guys a little picture of what I'm talking about, as you guys can see. And this wig was so comfortable on my head. I'm just going ahead and securing those combs on the side of my ear, and it laid so seamless. And I'm showing you guys this adjustable strap in the back for the EasiContour. I simply just tightened it up, and it fit like a glove. It was so comfortable and it felt secure. And as you guys can see here, it's nice and seamless, and my leave out was perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead with my heat protecting spray, and I'm going to simply just flat iron my leave out. But I'm showing you guys how it looks with that skull-like arc. You can wear this with no leave out if you wanted to. You just have to make sure you blend that part and those braids under the arc to make sure it looks nice and natural. But I'm going with my babyless flat iron. My hair is super short, y'all. I cut my hair like a couple of months ago, and it's blunt. So I know I wasn't gonna be able to get away with this look for the whole day. It would have literally bothered me to make sure this is blending the entire time, but I did my best to show you guys how it will look if you just wanted to wear a nice bust down. And it looked pretty good, but I know I wanted to try different styles with it. So this is one side of my head done, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks once I go with my other babyless flat iron and flat iron it. So you guys saw how the texture looked with absolutely nothing done to it, and once I silk press it, it's going to be nice and flowy, a little bit flatter and tamed, but it's still going to have that nice YAKI texture. So I'm going to go through this, and then I'm going to show you guys how one side looks compared to the natural YAKI texture.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense.
So once I finished flat ironing one side, this is how nice and flowy this texture looks. As you guys can see, it blends really, really nice. It's just my hair is really short and blunt and it's so annoying, but I had to finish the other side just to give you guys the whole look. But I think it looks good. You know, if I had to wear it like this, I really could. But you know, why not try more to it? But this was the final result of the middle part. Bust down, looks amazing, felt great, super flat and comfortable. I absolutely love this look, but let's switch it up. So I found these headbands that I brought off Amazon a couple of months ago and it matched my outfit, so I was like, why not? I literally just got the little stray leave out pieces that's from my natural hair and I just tucked them under the band so it can look nice and presentable. And then I went ahead with a little rubber band just to tighten it up so it won't move. And I'm simply just gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs, and that's all for this look. It came together so freaking cute, but what really brought the look together is when I blunt cut it and bumped the ends, and you guys saw that in the intro of the video. But oh my gosh, I fell in love with this look. I got so many compliments when I wore my hair like this, and this is gonna be a go-to look for me because it's so simple. I don't have to do anything to my real hair. It's literally still protecting my leave out. So this is basically a protective style and you can just throw this on and go. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got the ending result, and then we're gonna go on to the next look, which was also one of my favorites. So y'all know I stick to my bust down, my flip overs, or my side parts, but you can simply do a flip over with this unit if you please. But I wanted to experiment with half up, half down because I rarely do those types of looks. So knowing that I had this type of versatility and the wig was very seamless, so my leave out was able to brush right over the tracks in the wig, and y'all see right here how flat this looks. This looks so good. So this was the first half up, half down I did. I just used some freeze spray to make sure it was nice and secure, and made sure that my leave out looks nice and natural, and it did. But I was so shocked to see how well this blended with my natural hair. Like, this is so cute. This is literally gonna be one of my go-to wigs when I just need to throw something on and wanna do like some cute styles. And this was even a cute little style. I used to do this in high school, y'all. Look, like, this is so adorable. So I didn't leave my hair like this. I just wanted to try something different and show you guys literally how cute all these styles look. But this was the last style I did. All I did was take out the ponytail, left out some of my edges, and put it into a higher ponytail. So I brought it up higher on my head so my leave out is going to be sticking out, but I fixed that by just putting that into the scrunchie, and now it's undetectable. And I'm just putting some serum onto that leave out to make it look nice and blended, and that was basically all. So this is all of the styles that I did for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I had so much fun making this video, and it was pretty much nothing like I've ever made on my channel before. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you got this far, this wig was super bomb. I literally cannot wait to experiment more with it. But if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out the description box below. I will have some coupon codes for you, the direct link to this unit, and also UNICE's site. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did, and I can't wait to see you guys in my future videos. Bye guys. Mwah.
Baby, my